Breaking news coming in, clashes have broken out between TDP and YSRCP followers in Palnadu in Andhra Pradesh. The TDP is alleging that YSRCP followers have pelted stones on their supporters and followers. A few people have been injured. The police has reached the spot to take stock. Those are visuals coming in on your screens, and this is happening on the day of fourth phase of elections, where in Andhra Pradesh, assembly and general elections are taking place. Pictures on your screens of the aftermath of those clashes. You can see how there are supporters of both the sides. Police has reached the spot. There was stone pelting that took place in Palnadu. Shomit will be getting us all those details. But for viewers just joining us on this broadcast, on your screens are visuals of supporters of TDP and YSRCP in Andhra Pradesh's Tamil Nadu. We can see a few stick-bone men in these visuals. What happened there? How did this clash break out? What led to the clash? More details will follow in a short while from now. But on your screens, those are pictures of violence that erupted in Palnadu. Shomit is joining us on the phone line. Stone pelting, men armed with sticks charging at each other. Police has reached the spot. What happened in Palnadu, Shomit?
Well, incidents of violence are coming from several places in the Andhra Pradesh, because the 175 seats polling on 175 assembly seats and 25 parliaments, the polling is on in Andhra Pradesh, and violent clashes have broken out at several places, and even in Palnadu, we can clearly see violent clashes broke out between the TDP and the YSRCP leaders there, and even police have resorted to the lathi charge at several places in Guntur, Palnadu, Tadipatri, and several other places. And even Tadipatri, we are getting some dramatic visuals where the violent clashes broke out between these two followers, and even police personnel have been attacked.
So multiple instances of sporadic violence being reported from places in Andhra Pradesh where parliamentary elections and assembly elections are taking place today. In one such incident, even cops have been injured.